Hey, do you or your partner have a snoring problem? Well, I found a solution here on TikTok. This little device might look like a nose ring, but it's actually an anti-snoring device. And it's designed to apply gentle pressure to your septum while you sleep, opening up your nasal passage, which makes it easier for you or your loved one to breathe. Now, since I've been using this, the quality of my sleep has improved drastically, and there's no more snoring. So if you have that problem, or you want to share this with your partner, then grab yours today.